to the floating market.
This is the coconut
See the
farm.
front?
Moses, we got your next haircut.
Moses' next haircut, huh? You want to get out, Mama?
Moses, it's Richie. You need to get that guy's haircut. P.S. Moses, this is my best friend. P.S. Hi.
ไปซีมามาลู
You like you can bargain ได้นะเสริญนะว่าไม่
ฮะ
Yeah, I'm good.
You like you can bargain ได้ How much you can give me for necklace You can bargain ได้ can discount
Yeah. You want? Richie, you got enough necklaces now?
Yeah, I can mess.
Ask how much for the phone?
วางได้ไม่ได้
Okay, thank you.
And you can fit necklace that one ให้แอนแฟนไหม This a fan and this a hair I have this
Awesome.
This is spicy ไหม Spicy
Spices.
cooking
Oh, cool.
Awesome.
Look at that.
ขอบคุณค่ะ
You like necklace มาก I can give you ได้ 250 ชีพไทยแล้วนะ
Ah, no, thank you. Cup, kun, cup.
Oh, can I get fruit?
Your pineapple?
Pineapple
How much? 100?
Mango
You ain't want it for 100?
Mango
I don't know. Is it worth it?
ราคาธรรมดา
Mango sticker, that's what.
20 bucks. How much for a mango sticker?
Same
Same. They're 100 a pop, baby.
We should do two both for 150.
Okay
Two? 150?
okay
Okay.
Do you have money?
Yeah.
เดี๋ยวบ้าน
Five. Did you want to buy Chris a Buddha? They're here. Awesome.
I want that picture of that lady up on the top left there.
Where, babe?
As soon as the bus moves. Top left corner.
Okay.
I want the tiger. I love it.
Look at that.
Yeah, but Jackie's in Metro.
Look at those vehicles. Look at the motorcycles.
I love these wire statues.
Yeah, they're cool. They're cool.
the giant snake.
Holy crap, that's so cute.
Oh, it's so big.
Look at it.
No.
Yes.
Oh, she's so happy with his leg.
Yeah.
Oh my.
Cool.
Well, that's a nice Christmas card.
Styling, little man. Styling.
What's up? I got a new hat.
Thank you.
This guy has swords and ninja stars.
I thought you said 200.
Nunchucks.
Oh, I thought you said 200 before.
He's trying to sell me a sword.
Oh, I thought you said 250. I'm sorry. Oh, yeah, that's too much. Thank you.
Sunglasses.
No, I do 200. 200.
This is the coolest place you've seen.
No, that's too much.
Sword
That's okay. Not that good. Huh?
What do you want?
Oh man.
Yeah, that one.
We're washing clothes in the river. Look at these two little crystals. Let it go.
White color.
How much?
1,200.
1,200?
This year.
Whoa.
You talk about discount. Tell me discount. One or two? One or two? How much discount?
How much do you think?
You buy two?
I was thinking like 300 or 400.
Yeah, no, that's too much. Thank
For
you.
two.
No, we don't want to.
Ah, tell me please. Come on. How much? Tell me please. Only one please. How
Who
much?
wants that?
I wanted it, but not no more.
No.
How much? How much?
You don't want it. You don't want it.
Okay. Happy for you. Good luck.
How much?
750, Richie.
How about 400?
600 from baby for you.
400.
No, thank you.
Half ah, 5. Okay. 5.
400.
You buy two?
One.
Okay.
400 for one. I only have 1,000.
Look at all those chickens.
We're here visiting the waterfalls. And here's a waterfall over here. We just got here. We have to walk upstairs to get to other ones. And we're gonna go look at a map now. It's beautiful here.
So they're both made up on the rock. Heading towards the waterfall. Yep, they made it up under the falls.